Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chidiogo. If you see my face for the first time, you're very welcome. Thank you very much for stopping by. Thank you for finding the time to click on my video. I really appreciate the gesture. Please do one more thing for me. Hit the subscribe button and like this video at the end if you like it. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always returning. Thank you for making me know you are worth your time. I really appreciate that gesture. And today we're going to be doing something, I don't know, I've been trying out recipes on this channel. Yeah, I know my videos are not doing so well, but it's just something I love doing, and I'm going to still be doing it. I'm just going to be imputing elements of it in my channel. Yeah, because I love cooking. So today I'm going to be trying a suya based shawarma. So it's just regular shawarma, but it's going to have the, I'm going to use chicken suya to make it. That's the long and short of it. I'm going to be using chicken suya to make it because I just want to know how it will come out, if it will be good. Because I know how spicy shawarma can get, I'm going to try and reduce the flavor in the suya so it doesn't come out so strong and then in turn become so salty, you know. So guys, let's just dive right into this video. Let me stop talking so much. Please try and watch on to the end. I really appreciate the gesture. Let's dive right in. So guys, I'm cutting the chicken tenderloins, that's what it's called, and I'm cutting it in a way that it's gonna be flat so that the spice would enter inside very well. I'm gonna do that for the chicken and both the beef, just so the spice would go into it very well. Then guys, I'll go on to arrange the meat already cut in flat pieces on a skewer stick, because that's what I'm going to use to roast it or open fire grill it to turning it into suya. I don't like doing it flat and then cutting it. So guys, the necessary ingredients I would use for this is suya pepper, turmeric, salt, stock cubes, ketchup, mayonnaise, the meat and skewers, coleslaw already made, pita bread, and yeah, I will go on to transfer the meat into a bowl and then add all the spices I have showed you in appropriate quantities, so I don't note that you're avoiding the meat to be too sweet as regular suya. You're kind of like reducing your hand on what you use on the regular a bit. basically I would remove the chicken when it's done from the skewer stick, chicken and the beef, and try to, you know, use the knife to just mince it a bit so it's not, you know, like standing like one piece inside the shawarma, if you understand what I mean. Just watch, you see what I'll do. So it's time to make the mix. So you put the coleslaw in a bowl and you add your ketchup, you add your mayo, and then you mix it all together very well. Properly mix it together, like mix it. And you want it to be juicy but not too juicy, but it depends on your taste though, how you want it to be. Some people like it really creamy, some people don't. So but I like mine to be creamy. I like eating like the cream and everything, so I think mine is gonna be creamy. And just watch how I mix mine. So in making the wrap itself, you use your hand to open the pita bread. Like you want it to be flat to get more coverage. Most people use tortilla wraps, but tortilla wraps come out very dry. I don't like tortilla wraps when you cook it. It becomes dry. So I prefer pita bread. And pita bread, to me, tastes like shawarma bread, Lebanese bread. So you add your sausage. Then you go on to add the mix we've already made, the juicy mix, and then after adding it, you then wrap it up. you know, nicely. I like to wrap mine in a foil, mainly because the wrap is small and it won't hold if I want to toast it. So I use the foil and I toast it with the foil. How do you think about the shawarma?
Oh, but it's nice. It is slap. How do you want your review? Americanized or
Nigerianized?
I'll take one bite. Okay, I'm starting. Hey, Mama Gato.
What's Mama Gato?
It's the name of drumsticks. Shawarma, please. You're very please turn your head down.
I'm not even looking at her.
I know. This shawarma, I'll finish it before I do this.
Give me shawarma before you disturb us. Can you imagine? She's using time to eat 3 bites. I'm tasting. You're tasting.
Let's, okay. Now, on a more serious note, let's do this.
What's wrong with me?
What is?
This is good. This is some Nigerian level of shawarma. Like, this is amazing. I love it.
You put.
But it has to be yummy in my tummy.
Oh, I didn't even know the flash is not on.
Please use our video. Please.
It's slapping. My nails are horrible. But yeah, it tastes good.
This is amazing.
Did a really good job.
The chef.